Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue channel, and I am very blessed to be doing another collab with my dolly friend Tammy from Peace Craft Love Dolls with Tammy Powley. We did a collab not too long ago, last month, and what we did is we took a Blythe doll and we dressed them like Alice in Wonderland. And we asked the viewers to vote on the next dress that we did for our dolls, and you all, the viewers, chose Merida. To be fair, I have to tell you that this doll had already come. I had already unboxed her, and I had planned on making her a Merida dress before we did the unboxing on a video. So it worked out good for me and bad for me. I had a head start, so I told Tammy, made sure it was okay with her, but it wasn't a problem at all. And the truth is, the only Merida that I had known, I'm not a movie watcher. I am not a Disney movie watcher at all. So I went and watched the movie because the only Merida I had seen was from, are y'all familiar with cosplay? I enjoy watching that on YouTube. And there was a show, oh, I wish they still had this, Cosplay Melee, where it was like a game show where they had to put together a costume. Anyway, so I made this outfit for Merida, and we had a different stand for her that was smaller than this. So when the contest came up, or collab, where we were going to do the Merida dolls, we re-examined the stand because it was a little funny. See, it says Merida in the front. Isn't that cute? This was found, Darren found this on Thingiverse, but he changed it a little bit for my doll, my Blythe doll. It was made for a very small doll. So this is my doll, who I had already named Merida, and this is her first outfit. So I made a second dress for Merida. I made her a birthday dress, and the top part I went back and forth on. First of all, because I embroidered this one, I went all over looking for something to use at the top, and I ended up using bead cord. And it was really hard to work with, and it broke a couple times, so I wasn't anxious to use it on this dress. And when I watched the movie, after things went on with her mom turning into a bear, she didn't really have the top part. It got tore up, and I did not want to put the white head dressing on her hair. I rather like that doll, and that hair is something else as it is. So what if her mother, it would have showed the transformation of the bear? I thought this might be a cute thing to show, and I can prove this is her mom. Look, the hair. So that was kind of fun to do. And what I did is I took a cheap stuffed animal, I cut the back out, I pulled the stuffing out, I cut a hole in the arm and the leg, so that Merida's mom could show you how she became a bear. So I showed you my rendition of what I thought the transformation would have been like for Merida's mother becoming a bear. And here's her little brothers sitting in mom's lap, because they also ate the pie treat. But what if Fergus would have eaten that too? What if Papa Bear would... Or what if King Fergus would have become Papa Bear? And I kind of think this is a lot what he would have looked like. Oh, let me tuck this in. I had this just right, and then, well, you know, you move things around. So the whole movie was premised on the little wisps. So I took some tulle, and I made some wisps, and look what Darren did. He lit them up. You want to get a close-up? I love it. My little row of wisps. Isn't that cute? So if you would you please do Tammy and I a favor, and below in the comments, vote on which of our Merida dolls you like the best. Leave your vote for the next princess you would like for us to dress our dolls up like in our next challenge collab, that we are going to invite anyone that would like to participate to make their own video on their own channel of them joining in to our collaboration. Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment, a like, and subscribe.